We have here an 064, true 064 cylinder, ported by me. All powder coated cases. It did get a new air filter back, so that's brand new OEM. Everything on this is kind of the nicest parts I could find. It does have the max flow air filter, aftermarket dogs, aftermarket highway front muffler cover, and the big shoulder studs, because it's easier to get the bar on it with those. But everything's been gone through. It's got new bearings, new everything. Pretty much a full restore with porting on a nice numbered 064 cylinder. So original was it the 1201A flywheel, metal flywheel, and Bosch coil. So